My name is Erika Lochs and I'm a principal character artist working in the game industry. And in the last couple of years, I've had the privilege to work on titles such as Far Cry 6, The Settlers, Riders Republic, FIFA, and now I'm working on Diablo 4 at Electric Square. I specialise a lot into character clothing and anything fibre related. This is my intro course for Marvelous Designer. We're going to have a look at the 2D and 3D window features and anything that you might need to start out with this software. We will go over how to navigate Marvelous Designer and the avatars. After that, I will show you a tutorial on how to create a basic denim jacket where we will work from the pattern and go from start to finish within Marvelous Designer. I have also included a tutorial that is more useful for environment art, focusing on the creation of a medieval tent. At the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation of this software, and it will allow you to use Marvelous Designer in your own projects with ease. Thanks for watching, and let's get going.